I'm here, the chairperson of the SASCO in Northwest University. We saw fit as the student leadership that we must meet with the EFF Student Command and unite the black university in this university to come together and fight for their rights. What is their rights? Their rights is to ensure that they learn in a language that they can be able to understand. Because in this university, we are being taught in Afrikaans. Afrikaans is being prioritized over other languages. Students in classrooms are subjected to interpretation services where a lecture is given in Afrikaans and is now interpreted in English. Now we're saying that we don't want that. We want English as a medium of instruction to be given here in this university. Because we're saying that we don't want Setswana, we don't want Venda, we don't want Ndebele as black people. We want all of us that we must be taught in English, in a language that all of us will understand. And among other things that we want off-campus students, particularly black students, to be given space in residencies, because residencies in this university are very cheap and off-campus residencies are expensive. Now these black students are funded by NSFAS, which NSFAS gives a very small portion of money for them to cover accommodation. Now we're saying that that money must be given to these students and go and stay in hostels, because people who are staying in hostels, mostly it's white students who can afford, because we see when we pass there, they have cars, they have many things. Now we're saying that those ones who are being funded by NSFAS must actually receive a preference accommodation there in this university. Among other things, we're calling for shuttle services, because students, when they go home, are being victimized, are being robbed, some are being attempted to be raped and assaulted. Now we're saying that the management must ensure that there are shuttle services in this university, because Mafikeng campus and Val campus, Northwest University, they have those services that we are requiring. So we're saying that the shuttle services must be introduced in our campus. So we have a number of demands. We gave them the management the memorandum, and we've gave them the set time frame of 7 working days, which we're saying that they must respond, come to us, so that we can see the way forward. For now, we'll not tell the response of the outcomes of the management, because we don't know what is going to be the outcomes of the management council. So we'll see as the leadership that what is going to be the way forward, depending on the outcomes of the municipality, of the municipal management council when it meets. So we'll now come with a way forward and lead students in that regard.